Hello, and welcome back to the Best Reviews YouTube channel. We all know that it's hard to keep children off electronic devices nowadays, but thankfully Little Passports has come up with an ingenious solution. With dozens of themed boxes, the company offers your child a new curated experience every month. From learning about all 50 US states to understanding what a forensic scientist does, Little Passports has a variety of subject matters to suit nearly every age. But is it the right fit for your child? Before we unbox everything, make sure to visit bestreviews.net to find more information on Little Passports, as well as how to get your hands on some excellent discounts. When visiting Little Passports' website, you'll be presented with a variety of boxes to choose from. The subscription boxes are divided by age and theme, making it easy for parents to find the best one for their children. Afterwards, just select the preferred billing cycle and your child will get a new box in the mail every month. The packaging for each box is top-notch, guaranteeing that nothing in the box will break or get shaken loose during shipping. After opening the box, you may find that some elements require assembly. While most children will be able to build these toys on their own, younger children may need adult supervision. However, we recommend parents and guardians alike join in the fun regardless of the kid's age, as it's a memorable bonding experience. Some boxes also come with a map or poster, and having this on their bedroom wall will help remind children of the enjoyable time they spent playing with that month's Little Passports box. Selecting the appropriate age range first is the best way to help you choose from Little Passports' large selection of boxes. The Early Explorers and Animals Wild themes are designed for the youngest of tots and offer a simple and engaging first experience. Each Early Explorers box contains a large map, a book filled with fun puzzles and interesting facts, as well as figurines that will make a great addition to your child's toy collection. All this is kept safe in a small fashionable cardboard suitcase, making it easy to store everything when playtime is over. For slightly older kids, there's Space Quest, which is filled with astronomical fun. Not only do the boxes come with a poster, but also with everything needed to build a planetarium. With several projectable images, your child can spend hours stargazing from the comfort of their bedroom, learning about a new constellation every night. Another option for this age range is Science Junior, which provides hand-on science activities every month. The subscription boxes for older children understandably contain more complicated activities, such as with Science Expeditions, which includes an abundance of entertainment. With a complete testing kit to emulate the job of a forensic scientist, an activity booklet that contains a comic, and even a notebook, this theme is sure to keep any child busy for the months to come. Additionally, there are two other themes for those who want to know more about geography. While the World Edition theme lets kids explore a new country every month, the USA Edition is perfect to learn exciting facts about all the American states. One of the best parts of Little Passports is that all boxes are the same price, keeping the service affordable regardless of the age of your child. Unlike some subscription box services that offer a randomized selection of materials, Little Passports curates each package to fit your chosen theme. Pricing is incredibly straightforward with Little Passports. You simply choose one of the boxes on its website and then a 1, 6, or 12-month plan. In addition to being cheaper on a monthly basis, the annual plan of the newer themes provides an additional box per month throughout the year. Little Passports ships to the US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and other US territories. But, unfortunately, only people living in the contiguous US states enjoy free shipping. Little Passports has a referral plan, where a successful sign-up gives you and your referred friend $25 each to use on the website. This, combined with the seasonal codes provided by Little Passports, makes the service even more affordable. We also recommend checking out bestreviews.net for up-to-date coupons and promotions. Little Passports customer support is one of the best on the market. From an extensive FAQ to several social media pages, which provide DIY videos and product showcasing, it's hard to find a company that's easier to contact. But the live chat is by far the best method for getting in touch, as you'll get an answer from an incredibly cordial agent in a matter of minutes. Should there be something wrong with your package, Little Passports team will be there to help with a box full of solutions. Little Passports' wide range of boxes, along with its affordable pricing, make it a premier item for anyone looking for a good gift for children. But that's not where its praise ends. Its customer support is helpful and speedy, and each box you receive is sure to provide both educational and bonding moments. Our only remark is that getting the toys without a subscription can be a little expensive. Due to its variety, Little Passports is the ideal present for any kid between 3 and 12 years old, as it's a great way of providing some exciting screen-free activities. To find more information on Little Passports, remember to visit our website at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!